What size are they? Did you have a price you would do for all your Funko Pops if I bought them all? Oh, I never see those before. Morning. And do you have a shirt business?
What's that?
Do you have a shirt business?
No.
You just got a lot of them?
No, it's just like years and years and years of just having shirts that
how much you asking? How much are the shirts?
most of them are just $3. Just
okay.
Depends on what what you want. A lot of them have tags too, brand new, like all these race shirts.
Is that a Tyson shirt?
Cool shirt.
Oh, that's awesome.
He has a fight coming up too.
I know. From the Boxing Hall of Fame. Did you go to the Boxing Hall of Fame?
No, where's that at?
I don't know. That's what the shirt says on top of it. Boxing Hall of Fame.
No, I got it online.
That's a cool shirt, man. How much are your Funkos?
Each are 5, except that one that has 2 in it. We're doing 7 on that one.
Yeah, a lot of cool things.
If you're interested in.
Yeah. Did you have a price you would do for all your Funko Pops if I bought them all?
Yeah.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. And then you have one down there, 13.
Yeah.
And then that would be 14.
The way I have it priced now, all of them would be 72. Would you do it for 60?
I'd do 50.
Okay, I'll do 55 because I
55?
each of them were like $10. Yeah.
I gotcha.
So. But yeah, if you do that, then
okay. Do you have more clothes other than that bag you're putting out?
No, this is everything I got.
Gotcha.
So kind of, I guess in a sense, came at a good time because it's everything I got.
All right, so you 55. Let's see what else I can buy.
Okay.
I'll get this. Definitely get this other shirt.
Okay.
Do you guys have any more Disney stuff? I see like sporadically like a couple Disney things here and there.
Those things went really fast.
Yeah, we sold a bunch of stuff. I don't. The only pins I have are like, I mean, these are more Universal, but they're also Marvel. I have like those pins, but I don't have any more.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I'll get that shirt and then the Funkos.
Okay.
So it was 58. I'll just give you 60.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, man. No, thank you, man.
Yep.
Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Good. I was at your sale last year.
I remember.
Yeah, I bought a bunch of stuff last year. Oh, you got a bunch back again, huh?
Yes.
$15. Everything in this table is 15, or just
15. Anything that isn't marked 15.
Okay, 15.
So anything like in here.
Okay.
And I could do better on the price.
Gotcha. Yeah.
On stuff.
All right. So how much is the leg lamp?
Leg lamp, I have 60 on it.
60 on it.
I can do better on it.
Man.
And then there's some somewhere over here are the ornaments.
Oh yeah.
Oh, here. There was some just leg lamp ornaments and.
Oh yeah. How much are those?
10 on them.
Okay.
But again, you do better on them.
I love the Christmas Story, man.
Oh, we do too.
The National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation is my favorite movie of all time.
Yeah.
But for Christmas, like I love the. I may have to buy that leg lamp. My wife's gonna kill me. It's like the 3rd time I've said that today, and it's only like 8 o'clock. I bought a big arcade cabinet the last yard sale. I was like,
it was funny. You never find the lamps anywhere.
I know.
We were at a store out of town.
Yeah.
And I seen it was like every Christmas, and I seen it, and I'm like, and it really wasn't even discounted that much.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I said, never see. I really want this.
Yeah.
So we bought it, and the guy goes, well, I have one more in the back, and I'm like the same thing. I'm like, we don't need 2 of these. And I'm like, screw it. Let's take it.
I love it.
We can't find it. So we took it, and I'm like, we don't need 2 of these.
Yeah,
She's like, she goes, put it at the garage sale. She goes, we're never.
I got it.
We don't need 2 in our house. And I'm like, because we have the other one in our living room right in the window. And she's like, seriously? But if I find the big one.
If it's not in front of the window, it doesn't count.
Fine, I know, right?
If I find the big one, I'm still buying it.
Yeah.
I mean, this one's pretty good size. It's still about this big.
Is that Christmas ornament?
No, they're probably 30 years old. It's right when they came out with Toy Story and stuff.
Huh. This is it's like porcelain, right?
Yeah, they're both porcelain. There's that and
oh, I never see those before.
Said they're pretty old.
Yeah, 1999.
So yeah.
And these are the vintage ones, huh?
Yeah.
I've seen these back in the day from Post was the early 90s.
Yeah.
Potato head. These are cool pieces, huh? Is that all the sports car stuff you have?
That's everything else last time.
Yeah.
I actually found these on the side. somebody came and bought everything I had.
Oh, wow.
And then after the course of garage, I go in another box, and there's two of them sitting.
Gotcha.
So,
$3 each table.
Yeah.
$5 each.
those two
Okay.
back there. just
Perfect, thank
so-
you. How much is this?
I think 10 on it.
Okay. Do you, last year I got some pins from you. Do you have any more pins?
No.
No, okay.
I think there's one. This one here was the only one.
Oh,
that was
pin.
from the closing of the family lights thing they used to have at
Yeah,
MGM.
yeah,
It was like when they did the package that came
Yeah.
with the package.
What are these?
Thank you. Come and see you.
Who works for
Well, it's
Disney?
not even a wait.
Sorry?
Who works for Disney?
My husband
No,
for a little bit.
Oh,
I was
gotcha.
asking who worked for Disney.
So,
Thank you. We have a lot of
Come
friends.
see us.
Yes,
See you
we
later.
will. Bye, guys.
Good seeing you.
These are awesome. You work for Disney?
Yes.
Yeah, it's cool. Do you do a bundle deal if I put a bunch of stuff together?
Yeah.
Do you have any more like casts, like any other like service pins or casts or like service plaques? How long did you work there for?
I retired.
Oh, yeah, but-
I've been gone for.
Oh my
I
God.
worked for like 10 years.
Okay.
So-
Yeah, because I know like after like 1 year, 5 year, 10 year, they used to get
Almost
stuff.
all those I got rid of.
Okay.
The only one I kept is like 10-year castle and stuff that was mine. And
Yeah.
I was like, you know, but
Do you open to selling it?
not at this point.
Okay.
But if you don't give me your number, something,
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
will.
Okay,
If
but-
I change my mind,
Yeah.
I can do it. Yeah, all these, like these were all cast Christmas
Yeah.
ones. You know, there. That was from another one of the.
What would you consider if I put these and the two pieces over there,
What do we got here?
All of a sudden they come up and it's like.
and the two pieces over there?
At 85. How about 70?
I'm sorry, it would be what at?
We were at, with everything. It was 85. How about 70?
How much was this one?
10.
10, so 10, 12, okay, so 80, okay. Could you 60?
I suppose it was 65.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Did you want the leg lamp?
What do you have on it, 60? I do want it, but my wife's gonna kill me if I come home with it.
I do 50 on it.
Oh, man. Is it new or is it this one
It's
used?
brand new.
Okay.
You're gonna take it out.
No,
I didn't even.
I
I think the only thing I did was in the store, open
Yeah.
it to make sure everything was in there.
oh my gosh, you got this. I gotta.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
you were talking about.
So at 65, and then that would be, if I get that, be 115.
And what do I got on that? 20?
Yeah,
15 on it.
15. Yeah.
So
Do I want to do the leg lamp or not right now? I want it. Let me pay you the 65. We do this first.
and I'm not rushing.
No, no,
Okay,
I
you
got
don't want it
60.
because we've had 3 people ask us.
Wait, that's a 50.
50.
Oh,
It
yeah.
was like about it, just so.
Yeah, no, I believe you. You just don't come across stuff like this, like the casting stuff, like
Yeah.
at garage sales.
Yes.
Well, I guess more over this way than you would anywhere else. But what is the backstory in this one? I've never seen this little
That
piece
is
before.
from like the early 60s.
Really?
Yeah, they they sold them.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
And,
Yeah, that's just a cool looking piece. So I gotta ask, how'd you like working for Disney? Was it really a magical place?
no, it's not.
I knew it. That's what everyone says.
It's one of those.
It's better being this side than that side of it.
If you don't need the job,
Yeah.
and you're doing it not for where they can hold it over your head,
Yeah.
it's great.
It's great.
But if you have to work there, they will take advantage of everything they can.
I gotcha. What are these? I'm gonna get this too.
Okay.
That was 3.
If you're interested in these,
Yeah.
I've got a bunch more.
Okay.
So I mean, I can do a really better deal.
Okay.
There's 5 more of them. How
Okay.
about $10?
Deal. They're all the same?
Yep, they're all the same.
Okay.
They're the same as the other one.
Yeah.
So
Cool.
You can take them out.
Yeah, no.
I just had them. I put one out instead of putting them all on at the same time.
Okay.
Usually what happens is it's like you put a ton of stuff out and people start rifling through.
Yeah, I got
They
you.
got a pile of crap.
Yeah.
I'd rather put 1 or 2 out.
I
and
got you.
then, you know,
So $10.
yeah.
Okay. And then I gotta grab my Toy Story guys too.
Oh yes.
What is the backstory in this one?
It's from the 60s.
Yeah, it's a cool piece.
Yeah. Again, I had it. I actually have 2 of them. I have 1 up on my shelf in my office.
Gotcha. What do you consider 5 for it? You have 10?
About 7.
I'll do 7.
Okay.
I'll take a chance on it.
Yeah, I have the other one in my office. I have the second. I bought 1, then I bought another one. And I'm like, I really don't need 2. Oh, the Taylor Swift. I bought tickets for my nieces. And they bought me a mug. I'm like, seriously? I mean, the way they talked, this mug was quite expensive, and I'm like, I really don't want it. I'm not going to use it. And wife goes, I don't want it. We'll figure this out, you know.
That's,
So
that's
like,
awesome.
put it out there. Are they coming over? No.
All right, man. Thank you,
you,
man.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, appreciate you, man. Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing, buddy?
Doing good. How are you guys?
Excellent. Thank you.
Oh, hey. How are you?
But I just got for myself.
Oh, no, you beat me to it.
She bought something. Now you have to.
Yeah. You guys been busy today?
No, kind of slow so far.
Yeah. There's a lot working their way back here, so.
Well, and
Yeah,
that's the
dog.
thing. We live in the back of
Yeah.
the neighborhood, so I'm hoping it does pick up. But,
See, I always like try to start in the back and work my way forward.
you're a smart man.
Yeah. Is this all the video game stuff you have? Do you have any others?
The only thing we have upstairs that we didn't bring out was a PS3. We do
Okay.
have a
Do you have a
PS3.
bunch of games and stuff for it?
Unfortunately, no. A lot of those we've traded in. We still have a couple coming.
Yeah. What are you asking for it?
Might take like 30 or 35 for that. If I have a couple games, maybe a little bit more.
Okay. I mean,
You want to go check real quick?
I think there's.
Can you give her a minute?
Yeah,
to-
yeah,
to
yeah,
run
that's fine,
upstairs?
yeah.
I'm honestly not sure.
it has like the controllers and the cords and stuff
And
for
the
it.
cord and everything. Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. I'd be interested. That's a beautiful dog.
Thank you. That's the thing, because I got 3.
Oh, look at you. You're beautiful.
I did bring the cords. You said you don't want those, or you do?
No, I have.
you a
As long as
player?
I have the HDMI cord. As long as
Thank you, guys.
it just has the
Spent $10 without,
Yeah.
like, you know, like I'm just like let him have
Has the
some,
charger,
like,
yeah.
independence, let
Yes.
him go by himself. $10
then-
on a
and
half
then it's the
broken
power
car
cord?
racing t-shirt.
Oh, yeah.
I said why, and it's a kid-sized one. I'm like, what are we doing here?
perfect.
Yeah, you can buy whatever you want.
Yeah, I'd be interested in it, man.
How about 30 and 5 for the games? 35? Are you okay with that?
Okay, I'll give you 35.
35? Yeah. Appreciate it, man.
Oh, appreciate bringing it out.
Yeah. You got the 5?
Yep, thank you.
Thank you, buddy.
All right, I had to stop. I remember you from last year. Rescue dog. Good boy. All right.
Oh, yeah. You did the...
Yeah. All right, I will take a cookie. Have you raised a lot of money so far today? How much have you raised today so far? Well, did you have a goal? What was your goal to raise? How much?
At least $10.
At least $10? Here's 20.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You guys welcome. But there goes a good cause. I know you raise money for the rescue dogs and stuff like that. And you were doing it last year, raising money for it. So, and I have multiple rescue pets, so it goes a good cause. So,
Do that, then we'll
you guys
go to
welcome.
the Humane Society and buy their want list.
Yeah.
And go over and donate it all.
Congratulations. All right. Yep. Good morning.
Good morning, how you doing?
Doing good.
You got your video going, huh?
Yep.
Yeah,
I was
got
just.
one up here.
Nice.
I've dealt with some real assholes.
Yeah, I like to record my garage sales and my fines and stuff. I never know.
Yeah,
You just have that for protection, huh?
yep,
That's good. Smart man.
yeah. And people want to negotiate. Something's $1. I'll give you 50 cents. Now let's make it $1.50. Then they try and get it for the $1.
I get
Ain't happening.
I get it.
You want to negotiate? I'll negotiate.
Morning. Good. How are you? Oh, that's an old battleship.
I just put new batteries in it last night. Works.
Yeah. That's super cool. What do you asking for that?
$10.
$10, huh? 1979. That's a
I've
cool
had it
piece.
since
1979? 1981? Okay. Good morning. Saw the Nikes from the road. They're beautiful. What size are they?
like an 8.5. I think.
Ah, darn it.
Like a 10 or something.
Yeah, these are 9s.
No, these are 8.5.
Yeah, these are 8.5. What do you ask for them?
$70.
Yeah. They're awesome, man. Wish they were a little bit bigger.
Those boots are a 10 right there. You want to buy those? $10.
Which ones? These?
Yeah. my riding boots. I sold my bike, so.
You sold your bike? What kind of bike did you have?
Kawasaki.
Okay. How much is the bag? 10. Oh, that's awesome. How do you like it?
Love it. You're just bragging about how much you just got back in it.
Oh, really? I always see them. I always want to like take one out, man, but they're cool.
Yeah. Well, we'll be renting that one out soon. This is gonna turn into a 4-seater.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Taking both?
Yeah. So $20?
$20.
$20.
There you go.
Sir.
Enjoy.
Yep. Some of these houses may look familiar because I actually went to this community last year. I hit up that house at all the Disney stuff. They were super cool, but the wild card is got these cast member plaques. They're like acrylic glass. Out of here, and I'll show them to you. I'll have to put them down so you can really see them, but Cats and Scout for Talent for Walt Disney for 2003, and then Cats and Scout for 2004. So these are super cool pieces. I've sold a bunch of cast service pins, cast service awards, and I can't find these anywhere. I did find one that sold in like 2008 for 20 or 30 bucks. I'm thinking I can get anywhere from like $50 to $75 a piece for these. I'll put those up in my eBay store. As for that girl, you guys saw me stop at that lemonade stand. Last year when I came to this community, she was actually out there selling her toys and lemonade and cookies to raise money for the Humane Society for rescue dogs because she has a rescue dog. I recognized her when I was driving down the street. She had no toys out for sale or anything like that this year, so I had to make sure she was taken care of. That was me when I was her age, out there raising money, working lemonade stands, going door to door, selling cookies, doing other stuff for fundraisers for school. So anytime I see that, I always got to take care of the kids. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We are on the verge of hitting 15,000 subs to the channel, but please make sure you do like and subscribe. It really does help us out. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.